I'm not a car guy, but I am a movie geek and an AV geek. And sometimes all three of those things come together in just the right way to create something special, which I'm going to show you today. But first I need a lift. That was worth every penny. This is the Cambridge Audio Evo 150 streaming music system. But as you've probably guessed, they've collaborated with another company to bring us this special DeLorean edition. Right, enough talking, let's get into it. Fairly simple packaging, sturdy box. You've got all the features on here, which we'll go into later. Oh! We've got your typical eco-friendly packaging from Cambridge Audio. Big box of accessories, let's get into that first. I've noticed there's no sellotape on any of this, which is quite good. Save the planet and everything. Right, what have we got in here? We've got a UK power cable. We've got a European power cable there. Your batteries. For, what I'm guessing is probably the remote, but we'll take a look. But that is a nice looking remote. Really heavy, really good quality. It's got like a brushed metal finish on it as well. It's really nice. What have we got here? I think I know what these are. Look at that. These are the additional side grills. You get that lovely laser cut DeLorean logo on there. Look at how good that is. On to the main event.
This is the big one, the one I've been waiting for all my life. Terrible, I'm sorry.
Nice and heavy. There we go. Whoa. Bit of protective paper on the top. Look at that. That is a lovely bit of kit. This brush, but this metal top just feels so well done. And you've got the little DeLorean logo under the Cambridge Audio there. And yeah, let's go in for a closer look. Paying homage to the DeLorean DMC-12 sports car, which was of course made famous by the Back to the Future movies, this special edition Evo 150 has certain features that mirror the car's iconic look, like the black side panels which echo the car's grille, with that classic DMC logo in that heavy 80s font. We've actually set this up beforehand, but you can change these so they're just on a magnet. Look at that classic logo that we all know. How cool is that? And we've already set it up on the other side with the other side panel that you get in the box. You got this slightly more contemporary brushed metal DeLorean logo there. I'm not a car guy. And that just goes right back on the side, like that. The craftsmanship on this unit as well is just absolutely sublime. You've got this knurled input selector here, which sounds fantastic. Let's listen to, actually bring the microphone in. Oh yeah. And then you've got the standard volume dial there as well, but even that's got a nice feel to it. Yeah. Okay, let's get it plugged into power, and we're also going to set it up on Cambridge Audio's Stream Magic app. Give me 5 minutes. So we've got it all set up and an appropriate soundtrack playing. This full color 6.8-inch display not only shows off your music's artwork, but with the launch of this new model, it also includes nifty little VU meters which vibe with the music. So you get a kind of double dose of retro with this all in one system. Even better than that, it sounds brilliant and has a bunch of awards to prove it as well. You won't even need 1.21 gigawatts to power the unit, but you'll still get an impressive 150 watts per channel, which is more than enough to power whatever you want to pair up with it. Taking a look under the hood, the Evo 150 is just as impressive. Components such as the ESS Sabre DAC combined with Cambridge Audio's top hi-fi know-how made the system brilliant at revealing the most subtle musical details. We've already established that the Evo 150 looks and sounds great, but does it have what it takes to play all of your sources? Oh, I'll put you out of your misery, the answer is yes. Based around Cambridge Audio's award-winning Stream Magic platform, the Evo 150 delivers a seamless streaming experience. Tidal Connect, Spotify Connect and Qobuz are built in, plus Stream Magic works with high-res music files, including MQA-powered Tidal masters. The Stream Magic system also works alongside Roon, AirPlay 2 and Chromecast, letting you decide the best streaming music system that best fits your needs. Whoa. What sets it apart from some other streamers is that you've got that HDMI input there, which means you can connect it to your TV via ARC, which is audio return channel. It also has a subwoofer output, so if you don't just want standard stereo, you can hook up a subwoofer and get a sort of 2.1 stereo movie and TV experience, which is nice. You can also hook up a PC or laptop by USB and a range of other sources via the digital and analog inputs. It even has a moving magnet turntable input, which is nice. There's 2 sets of speaker outputs, giving you the option to either by-wire your speakers if you can, or you can run a second pair of speakers in another room. Also, if you fancy switching to headphones, you've got a choice of plug-in socket or Bluetooth pairing options, and don't forget you've also got those high-quality XLR inputs and an Ethernet connection as well, just in case you want to be hardwired instead of wireless. So that's everything on the back, but let's just flip it back around again just so we can take a moment to appreciate some of these gorgeous details. Made by one iconic company celebrating another, the Cambridge Audio EVA 150 DeLorean edition isn't just a movie car lover's dream, it has everything you need to get the best out of your music and your movie experiences. Thanks for joining me for this video. I'll see you in the future, or in the past.